Hello, my name is Jose. My wife Shelly is not here with me. This is the Gonzo book. It's our YouTube channel that we just started. We are getting a new RV tomorrow. It is a GeoPro 20 FPS 2023. It's a new model this year, and we're excited to get it. Can't wait for it tomorrow. But before we got our RV, we looked at a lot of YouTube videos to decide exactly what we need and what maybe we don't need. And this is our 50 plus list of things we just got, mostly on Amazon and some other places. And we're going to show you exactly what we got. We're not going to explain exactly what it is. We're just going to tell you what we got. This video would be way too long. So without further ado, waterproof checkered tablecloth. This is our waterproof checkered tablecloth for picnic tables that we might get that might be gross. And we also have the clips for it so it won't blow away. We didn't want to get the fitted sheets because each picnic table has different sizes, so that's what we got. Quick connect RV. We do have a quick connect hose, and this one gives us a dual connect. And we also got a hose with this 12-foot hose, so we can connect whatever we want to connect to the propane quick connect. For Oxygenics shower head. We got the shower head. Usually in the RVs are not that great. This makes the water pressure a little bit better because it runs a little bit of air through it, so it makes it more powerful. So hopefully that works for us. Command hooks. We probably need another pack. Put up our towels or jackets and some other things. Or a 3-in-1 rubber seal conditioner for perform some maintenance on the RV. We bought the 30 amp surge protector. It comes with a cover to help with the rain. This is only a $25 to $30 one. They have ones that are $100 to $200, and we don't want to go that far in spending. So we got that one. If it doesn't work, as well, we'll get something else. We have a 0G hose. We have two of these. One's black, 25 foot, and we also have one that's blue that the camera's on, and that's 50 foot. And that one's blue. That's for the clear water, the fresh water, and this is black, and this is for the black, to flush out the black tank. And sheet set for the bed. The GeoPro 20 FPS has a full-size bed, and we brought a 4-piece sheet set for that, tan, to match the interior. Queen comforter. It's not a big one, but it matches our decor. Sidewinder for our sewer hose. It's kind of like gravity assist. Put the sewer hose here and helps the flow of the black water. Towel set. That's a 6-piece towel set right here. Orange and stabilizing jet pads. We didn't want to get the snap pads because they're expensive. So I got these things. There's 4 of them, and that's where the stabilizer jacks lay on, so it's not marking up. The concrete adapter 30 to 15 amp, just in case we wanted to plug it up at home. 30 amp to regular house. First aid kit in case we need it. You never know. You never know. Shelf liner, Gorilla Grip shelf liner, brown, tan. Well, that would help keep stuff not moving around in the shelf while we're traveling, hopefully. Electric tongue jack cover. cover the electric tongue jack to keep the water from it, because it's not really, it's water resistant, but I don't think it's waterproof. And I'm also going to stick a bucket over it. Those are these things, screens. All the vents, of course, there's an access for insects to get in and make nests, especially wasps. So all these things, you can cover your vents and prevent that from happening. Water filter. Water filter, connect to your fresh water. Try to keep the water clean. I got a 3/4 inch scissor jack socket, so I don't have to turn it myself. I just put the drill in there and make the stabilizer go up and down fairly easily. That's the extension cord, 30 amp. You never know how far you have to park away from the tower or the pedestal. I forget exactly what you call it. Key-like towing kit lock. Comes in a nice little bag. And it has, I think, 3 different locks to it. One lock I'm not sure where it goes to, but I just wanted to show you the hitch lock. Put that in the hitch, it'll cover it, and then you can lock it. And hopefully someone doesn't walk away with your camper or drive away with your camper. And other locks with the same key. So I get to mess with that tomorrow. Private curtain, we have our RV doesn't come with a curtain that separates the bed and the living area. So what we did was we bought a 7-foot, I forget what size it is, but it does fit, I measured. And it's spring loaded, kind of like a shower curtain. And we bought a Blackout and insulated curtain, and hopefully that helps us with insulating the bedroom, because Shelly likes it warm in there, and also with privacy and light control. Wool Chocks, yes. Bought 4 of these rubber tough wool chocks. I didn't want to get the plastic ones, so we got 4 of these. Cable ties. Cable ties, black, white, just in case we need them. And we probably are going to need these, you never know. Anything breaks, you can jimmy rig it. Or if you want to tie something down where it's not moving, those are going to come in handy. Heavy duty gloves. I know I saw my gloves somewhere. 7mm thickness nitrile disposable gloves. So when I'm messing with anything that might be oily or the sewer hose. Duct tape in case anything breaks. Just a silver, regular, basic duct tape. I do have some white one in the garage that I'm going to stick in there too. Bungee cord assorted. You never know when you need bungee cords. I love bungee cords, and this comes with 12 pieces, various lengths, so that's going to come in handy, I know it. Lantern battery. Oh, these are in case there is an emergency. It's like a lantern. All you got to do is lift it, and bam, it's pretty bright. We had these in the house too, just in case our lights went out. They never did, but I bought 2 of these, one for the living area and one for the bathroom in case we run out of power. Got me a bucket. There's my other lantern. And I got this bucket for free at Harbor Freight. When I bought so much stuff over there, you can get this for free. And you can use this for a lot of stuff. And if you're sitting there, you can put it over your tongue jack too to protect it from water. 2-piece barbecue set. I just saw that. Shelby got this for Christmas. Pittsburgh. I'm an Eagles fan, but she's a Pittsburgh fan. And she got this grill set. Tarp 5x7 camouflage pattern. Never know when you have to cover something up to keep it dry. Little baskets from the Dollar Tree, just in case. 4-pack. This one's a 3-pack. This one 4-pack and a big one 4-pack. Just in case we need to put little stuff in there and it won't be sliding all around. Miscellaneous pile. We got, in case we need to sweep the floor, something to clean the toilet, all from the Dollar Tree, save money. Kitchen towels, and also some hot pads in case we're going to handle something hot. And we bought some cleaners from the Dollar Tree, some bowls, and some dishwashing detergent. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is rated for a person 600 pounds. This thing is padded and it's pretty comfortable. We wanted something that's we don't have that much space, so those big round chairs we were going to get, but we wanted something that's going to be, we can fit somewhere in our trailer. Outside carpet, I'm not going to get it out because it's too big, but we got a, I think it's 9x12, I'm not sure, but I think it's that big. We got the Camco Rhino hose. These hose, you always hear on YouTube channel that it's very sturdy, lasts them a long time. Various connections. So we wanted something that wasn't going to break the first couple of times. There's the elbow, the clear elbow, so you can see what's coming out. So know when it's clear. And various other adapters. So we don't want to go cheap on that, so we got the decent one. The outdoor gas fire pit. I think you can see it. Yeah. Now when you go camping, you always want to have a nice fire. We didn't feel like carrying wood. I have a little experience with camping, and most of the time you got to carry firewood unless you buy it at the campground. And I prefer, and some campgrounds actually don't let you use the fire pits because depending on the weather, it's just not allowed. So I decided to get the Outland Living gas stove. You can't see because I have all the bags, but it's the small one, it's the square one. I think it's going to work great for us. I also bought this cover for it. That fits nicely and hopefully works out great for us. Definitely want to show you when we get our camper and we're actually out camping. I'll show you guys exactly how it looks. Our camper didn't come with a fireplace. I decided to get this little lantern I saw. It heats up pretty nicely. It's going to do good, I think, in our Geo Pro, and it also lights up. Fake fireplace, runs off electric, and it's pretty good. So it ain't gonna heat up a big area like we had it in, but I think it's gonna do pretty good for us. And like I told you before, I got this rechargeable fan, 4 different speeds to it. It has lights and it had oscillation. So pretty good fan. I had it on all night and it was on for 8.5 hours before the last light was blinking for a while, and then decided to shut it off. So we're for 8.5 hours on high. So worked pretty good. And it also has a remote that stows right here on the side. So I kind of like this product a lot. I use it right now at night to help me sleep. Memory foam topper. We got a 3-inch memory foam topper, mainstream I think it is, from Walmart. It's a Walmart brand I believe, or sold in Walmart, full size. We also got our RV toilet treatment from Matt's RV Review. We're a big fan of Matt's RV Review, all 3 channels, and we like Matt, Andrea, Jen, and Will. We decided to try the product out, and we have it. So since we utilize our toilet, we're going to check that out to make sure it works well. Hopefully it does, and I believe it does. So shout out to Matt's RV Review for that. Thank you. A lot of YouTubers were saying that you got to get some headlamp. And you can see at night when you're working at night and doing the hitch or whatever, or even just walking. It has a bright light, couple settings for the lights, and it has different settings, and then you have the red. So this one I got for between 20 and 30, came with 2, and it's rechargeable. So anything rechargeable I like. We have a collapsible lug wrench, and in case for those of you who don't know, the lug wrench, the lug nuts that are on your car are not always the same as your RV, so you don't want to find out the hard way. So I got this, and it collapses so I can put it in my car. It's probably going to be in my car. And then I can, and what I'm going to get to also is a metal hollow pole. So you stick it in here, and then you have some leverage to crack that nut open. My 5-pound fire extinguisher. Every RV comes with a fire extinguisher, but it's not going to be enough if there's a fire in here and you want to hopefully put it out. So I bought a 5-pound fire extinguisher. Plus I have want to use the one that's in the RV and maybe a small one for the bathroom. Just in case there's a fire, you can try to put it out. But if there's a fire, save your life first, your RV comes second. And I believe that's the end of my list. 50 plus things we got before we got our camper. And we're getting our camper tomorrow, so hopefully that day comes quickly and we can hook everything up to see how it works. And we're going to take a small trip here shortly. Maybe we don't want to do any winter camping because we don't want to undo the winterization of the camper and then have to redo it. So we're going to wait a little bit before we actually go camping, probably April if the weather's nice. And we're going to probably do an orientation of the camper for our next video. For the Gonzo book, we want to say thank you for watching. Shelly says hi, and if you have any questions, post it down in the comment below. Thank you very much.